Now, the US President Biden convenes the Vice President and senior White House and administration officials for a briefing on the full federal response he has directed to the wildfire across the Los Angeles. Now, the death toll due to wildfire has increased to 7. I'm now joined by my colleague Akansha Swaroop on this broadcast. Akansha, very concerning situation that is being witnessed in Los Angeles. There is a meeting that has now been convened by the US President. What more detail do we have on this?
Right, Sherry, it's very unfortunate. In fact, 7 people have died and over 5,000 structures have been completely destroyed in this fire in LA, which we all know is, in fact, been perhaps the worst in history for LA. Wildfires are not new to the United States, but this one has in fact created history for its intensity. But as we speak, and you rightly mentioned that President Joe Biden has convened a special meeting along with Vice President Kamala Harris as well. And Biden has also directed the Pentagon to provide fighting resources that may be in the air. Most importantly, in fact, a major disaster declaration was approved by the outgoing U.S. President on Wednesday. And according to that declaration, victims of the fire can immediately access funds and resources, only jumpstart their recovery process. He's announced that the federal government would be covering 100% of costs for initial disaster response to the wildfires, and these would also toward removal, building temporary shelters, salaries for the first responders, and more for up to 180 days. So he's ensuring that the government stands with the families, and in fact even said that to the families who've been impacted by this disaster, you're living through a nightmare. I know that, and I promise we're going to help you get through this and eventually recover and rebuild. And he continued this meeting along with Kamala Harris. Same time, the U.S. President was supposed to he's canceled that visit. He was in fact planning to meet Pope Francis and Prime Minister of Italy, Prime Minister Meloni. He's cancelled that visit.
All right.
And we all know that he's in fact announced that special declaration only for funds to be accessed by Americans.
All right. Thank you, Akansha, for getting us all those details regarding this unfortunate wildfire that